In this video, I'm going to talk about the proven best video length for your YouTube ad. I get this question all the time. How long should your ad be? Should it be very long? Should it be short? Somewhere in the middle? We're going to dive into and answer that exact question, as well as give you a framework for your YouTube ad script to get it to convert. How long should you create a YouTube video ad for? When should you have the call to action? So like we talked about, we have a hook, educate, call to action. We have to actually have a training on our YouTube ad script, how to craft the perfect YouTube ad script. It's right here in the group. If you look up YouTube ad script on the side, you should be able to get access to that training that we have. Obviously, with our clients, one of the things that we do is we have our in-house copywriters actually go in. They do a fantastic job working with you on a call to help you craft the script. So you know best, what your market is, what you need to put into an ad. And then obviously our copywriters know how to create an ad that converts, and we combine those together to create the perfect script, exactly what to say and do. But in terms of that, what we recommend is a longer form ad, typically between 3 and 6 minutes long. The sweet spot may be about 4 or 5 minutes. And so the reason for that is if you have just a short ad where you hook them and then you say, okay, go and sign up for my webinar, or okay, go sign up for my email list, or take that next step. The problem is it's too short. You're not actually providing any value. Remember, people are on YouTube for the learner's mindset. Now, here's the thing that catches people. They do these ads where they hook, they say, hey, do you have this problem? Okay, sign up for this webinar. And it works to some degree because YouTube ads work, and it's a blue ocean right now, but it doesn't work as well as it could if you capture people's attention. Then you provide value in the middle. So you actually teach them what you need to teach them on the ad itself, provide actual value. And then once you provide that value, then you have the call to action that gets them off of the ad and onto your webinar, onto your email list, whatever that next step is that you want people to take action on. So hook, educate, call to action, 3 to 6 minutes long, 4 or 5 is that sweet spot. That's what we recommend. Again, one other thing I'd recommend for you too is, and this is for a lot of people asking questions, is schedule a strategy call with our team at outreach.com/apply. It's a 45-minute call. We're going to dive into your business, understand exactly what you're doing with your marketing, map out how you can use YouTube ads in your own business, what it would look like, and if it's a good fit, then we might explain obviously what our program looks like and if that's a good fit for you. But either way, we're going to map out exactly what this looks like in your business. You guys can go to atoutreach.com/apply and schedule that call. I hope you found this video valuable. If you guys want to learn more about YouTube ads for your own business, check out all the links down below. We have a link to our YouTube ads webinar where we dive into exactly how YouTube ads work for your business. We also have a version of our webinar specifically for coaches, consultants, course creators that shows you how to build an infinite pipeline of high ticket clients. So just choose the webinar that works best for you. And if you are ready to schedule a call with our team to walk you through exactly how YouTube ads can be implemented into your own business, you can go to atoutreach.com/apply. The link's right down there in the description to schedule a call with our advising team to learn a little bit more about your business, your current marketing, walk you through YouTube ads, see if that's a good fit. And if it is a good fit, we'll map out exactly what that can look like in your business. Also down below, we have links to some case studies, testimonials. So take a look at that below as well. Feel free to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever we have a new video on YouTube ads and marketing. And also join our Facebook group below as well so that you can actually get access to free trainings, content, and resources. It's another great hub for you to access everything YouTube ads. So thank you for watching. All the links will be right down there in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.